today I'm gonna show you my parrot and my little puppy. I'll show you guys, they're really friendly. Hello. Guys, my puppy's name is Lily. And today we're gonna play with my little parrot, Cosmo. Come, Cosmo. Hello. Kiss, give me a kiss. How are you? Give me a kiss. Sing Jingle Bell song. Jingle